Welcome back everyone to Wayne's Diecast. In front of us here we have a 1932 Ford Hot Rod blown Coupe, limited edition, 1/18 scale. It's made by Acme, DDA Collectibles, Diecast Distributors Australia. Very nice. It is limited to 210 pieces. Let me see what number this is. It's just the outside of the box. Picture of the motor there. Okay. Alright, that's out of the box. We've got a little, I guess, information thing here, certificate thing. 32 3-window, light green, white. One of 210. Body by Acme. So that's that. Cut the tape off. And up here we've got some mirrors just sitting in the box there, so I'll just leave those mirrors there for the moment. And we'll get this out. Get rid of some of this little bit of packaging. Okay, so hopefully everything's all good, there's no issues. Looks pretty good so far. Just a bit of polystyrene on the tyre there. Alright, and what have we got? Do we have... I know we've got a bit of tape on the door. Oh yeah, there we go. So I might cut that off. Alright, don't have to cut it. Yeah, not a bad colour that. I like that. Alright, so we've got the tape off there. That was for the doors. And is there any here that way? Which way are we opening that one? That way. Yep, no, that's all fine. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. So we've got the flames on the side. And we'll start up the front here. Now it does have steering. It's a little firm, but I guess that's okay. It's actually screws, so I could probably just loosen off the screw a little bit. As you can see, just there's a screw, and on the steering arms there's a screw, so you could probably just loosen that off a bit. But as we can see, we've got all the plug wires, fuel lines, distributor. And we've got the wire or rod holding the radiator support there, the grill. It's a Hemi with a blower. Oh, that's something. Where is the blower belt? Okay. Well, that's not much good. Where's the blower belt? Okay. That's Well, that's an issue. Don't like the idea of that. Anyway, the rest of the motor looks pretty good. Just missing the missing the blower belt, which is kind of important. We've got brake lines here. The headlights at the front. Headlights look pretty good. No problems there. You can see the drum brakes at the front. Although in theory this would probably, I'd assume this would be like disc brakes with just the dummy drum brake covering as they did with some of these, depending on I guess when it was actually made. So the wheel turns separate to the brake drum there, which, yeah, in theory that sort of wouldn't happen because a brake drum would turn with the wheel, but either way. We've got a drop axle at the front here. We can just see the leaf springs up in here. Got some shocks at the front. What else? Got the zoomies. Couple of issues with this one. I'm not too happy about that. Not happy at all. We've got a chip up here. As far as I know, the model was supposed to be new. Yeah, as far as I know, it was supposed to be new. You can see where the mirror goes up here, the top of the door. Now, does the door open all right? Oh, there we go. Idiot, suicide doors. So we've got a full white interior. Door opens okay. There's no problems there. We can see the dashboard. We've got all the instruments in the dash there. It's a manual. We do have sort of a carpet there, which is like a felt sort of thing for the carpet. Single seat in the front, bench seat. We do have roof lining in this one, so that's good. Door closes okay, it snaps shut. And at the back we've got DDA 32. We've got the fuel tank. Here's a little, let me check. I'm right here in front of the computer anyway. I'll check to see whether it was new. I thought it was. Oh, it's got returns not accepted. New, apparently. That's what I thought was supposed to be new, but it's, yeah, it's got a little bit of dirt in it, a little bit of sort of dust there, which sort of says to me that it's not quite new. We've got a mark on the door, a paint chip. We're missing the blower belt. It's disappointing when you spend a bit of money and don't get what you pay for. So, and then it's just not that clean. Yeah, might have to question them on that. See what we come up with, but look, it looks, you know, it's still going to look good in the cabinet there, but you know, you're paying for something that's brand new, and I shouldn't be getting that. Those few little issues. So let's have a look underneath and see what we've got. See what number this is. So this is number 140. No suspension. Very basic underneath, as it would be. We've got some slicks on the back. Some treaded skinnies on the front. Yeah, disappointed about that blower belt. We definitely should have that there. We have the little 4-speed gearbox. And in the back here, in the boot, we don't have anything. That's just empty, and it's all carpeted in there. Under the boot lid's not, it's just metal. I'll get that on the turntable. Alright, we've got that spinning around. Also got a little bit of polystyrene there. Yeah, a couple of issues. Not too happy about it. I'll question them on it and see if I can get some sort of refund. I think. I know they won't swap it over, as they've clearly said there, no returns. So yeah, but at least if we can get some sort of refund of some of the price, that would be good. Well, it'll still display fine. You know, you're not going to see the blower belts missing, because I sort of display them from sort of the front area like it's sitting there. So you're not going to notice it too much unless you pick it up and have a look. The little chip on the door, which side? That side. Again, you're not normally going to see that. It's just when you get up close you will, if you're sort of looking for it. It's just there. Everything else is okay. But I'd certainly like better. Yeah. And you think when things are low numbered, like 210 of this colour or whatever it was, worldwide, you'd think they'd put more effort into it. Whereas if they're making 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 of them, although they still should be in very good condition. Yeah. I guess no defects would be perfect on every model, but that doesn't happen. So, I know that. I've just received another order of trucks, and yeah, I go through those just to make sure that none of them are missing anything or any parts are broken or anything like that. And a couple of the models had defects, missing exhaust pipes and things. So I've taken them aside. I'll keep them for myself, and the others get sold off. But yeah, problems like that, like missing blower belt, that's pretty obvious that it's not there. Unless you're not probably the person that sold it's not a car guy. They probably don't even know what it's supposed to be, because I think the box was opened. So yeah, so they should have seen that it wasn't there. It's not in the box or anywhere, so it was missing at some point. Whether it was made like that or whether it had been out displayed or something and it got lost, I don't know. Either way, I'll find out. But that's it for that. Yeah, look, I'm still happy with it. It still looks great. I like the colour, the white, green, everything else like that. It's a nice model and it'll go well with the rest of my hot rods. It's just, it could have been better. especially with the missing blower belt there. So yeah, because the rest of the motor is pretty well detailed. They've done a good job on it. Apart from where the join is in that hat there at the top, that could have been better. I believe that there is better ways to do things than joining two pieces together, especially when it's something like this. Like if it is going to be joined together, they really need to make sure they smooth it all out so you just don't see that join. A little bit more effort needs to be put into it. Same with the fuel tanks on the trucks, where they've got the join for the two pieces. It's in the wrong spot, and you just look at it, you notice it's there. And I think they can do things better. Like at the front, you can definitely see this is two halves. You can see the line running through it. It doesn't look that great. So yeah, I think manufacturers can do a better job in making those certain parts look better. Alrighty, I'm going to end that one there. So check out the other videos popping up. I hope you enjoyed this one. Wasn't full of joy because there was a couple of problems, but either way, if you like hot rods, this is a nice hot rod. Hopefully if you do get one, it does have the bits with it and no chips. So yeah, so check out the other videos popping up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the channel as much as you can, and we will see you all on the next video. Bye bye for now.